Hey Levi, how you doing? Look what I have to do. I went to a farm and I saw some animals. And I want to show you all the animals I saw. First, I saw a pig, and the pig went oink oink, oink oink, oink oink oink. And then after I saw the pig running across the farm, oink 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 oink, I saw a chicken. And the chicken went bok, 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 bok. And after the chicken ran in front of me, I saw a cow. Oh no, I'm sorry, a sheep. And the sheep went bah, 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 bah. And then he took a nap. And he woke up with his snoring, the cow. And the cow went moo, moo, moo. And then he fell asleep too. And they all fell asleep but me, 'cause I love you. Mwah! Love Grandma.